How do I create test and train samples from one data frame with pandas? I have a fairly large dataset in the form of a data frame, and I was wondering how I would be able to split the data frame into two random samples, 80% and 20%, for training and testing. Thanks.
I would just use NumPy's RIN. And just to see this has worked.
Scikit-learn's train_test_split is a good one. It will split both NumPy arrays and data frames.
Pandas random sample will also work. For the same random_state value, you will always get the same exact data in the training and test set. This brings in some level of repeatability while also randomly separating training and test data.
I would use scikit-learn's own training_test_split, and generate it from the index.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.